Hey guys, TC Sport Cars here, and today I am shooting a 150 horsepower 1.2 Renault Clio turbo. Yeah, this obviously this outro is filmed after the whole video, so forgive me for that. But yeah, lighting will get a bit lighter, but yeah, let's just get on with the video. So coming to the car now, first thing you notice is the intercooler, and then you've got air filter, ITG air filter in there, and then you can just sort of see the turbo in there. It does have an engine cover. I don't actually know where it is, but yeah, it does pull really nicely. It's on rotor grid 6-spoke wheels and also on coilovers. Come around to the back. It's a completely custom exhaust. You can't really see it, but they're 4 tailpipes. There you go. Yeah, does flames, which is all you need to know. And yeah, it's got some sticker, Eco Beast. But yeah, it's pretty damn good, and there's the wheels for you. It's also got the sport upper grille, and yeah, there's your walk around of the car. Very quick indeed. Just under 150 horsepower, but we'll claim it's 150 horsepower just for the title. So, but standard it's 99. Yep. Yeah. So it's quite cool. Let's just say that, and the turbo sounds amazing on it. So what turbo is it?
So it's the standard turbo that I sent off to TDI Turbos to be made into a hybrid. So it's hybrid now. It's got stage 2 clutch, 182 injectors, intake, decat, full custom exhaust system, and it does flames. It does flames.
sort of, when you were explaining that then, I looked at it and I was like, what the hell is that?
Yeah, I didn't even notice it. Jesus.
That sport is so nice to hear.
Yeah,
That is just, it's lush, isn't it? Yeah. It does, it really does. Was it a police?
No, I thought it was. I thought from the light, off the reflection of the lights, I thought it looked like police.
Oh. So that car is flipping mental, and this is going to be the end of the video. So I hope you enjoyed watching. Any owners that want to get in touch, please do get in touch with me on Instagram. That'll be on the screen somewhere now. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, do whatever you want. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.